Hello guys, welcome back to the Python course, and in this video we will continue with the file handling, and we are done with the operations such as reading from a file, writing to a file and all these things. So today or in this video we will move ahead and we will, as you can see the title and the name of the file, that is pointer manipulation. Now what is a pointer? Pointer that we have been discussing with the operations as well. Pointer basically imagine or consider it as the cursor that you have. So we will manipulate the position of the cursor. So we understand that initially the position of the cursor is at 0 when we try to read something. Okay, so let's try and manipulate it. So here we have a new file, that is pointer manipulation.py. So what we want to do here is first we will try to read a file. For that we need to open a file again. Then there are two methods that help us to manipulate with the pointers. So let's see that one by one. So let's do more of coding and less of talking. So let's start. So let's first create again an object or a variable. Okay, then we have this open method, and here again we will play with that same file, that is demo.txt, and we will open it in read mode. Okay, so this we are done with this thing, and now first what we want to do is we want to know that initially where our pointer or our cursor is. Okay, so for that let's have a good print statement, and here we will have that pointer is at, and here we have a method that is tell. Okay, here as we can see tell. So what this tell method does, that it returns the pointer position that we will see. Okay, let's see that right now only. Let's run the file, run pointer manipulation. Okay, I clicked on debug. We don't want to, but still we are getting your pointer is at 0, but still let's run it, and here we can see pointer is at 0, and we understand that whenever we try to read a file, we start reading from the start, right? So the pointer position has to be at 0. So now let's read it. We haven't started reading it, right? So let's read it now. Let's do that fp dot read, and we are now, let's print it as well, that whatever we are reading, and we know what we have in the file is. First let's do this. Let's say let's check first what we have got in our file. We have this hello, this is clear. Okay, so this is our file, and I guess it is some content, and our file pointer at the end of the reading should be at some 15th position around, if I am not wrong. Let's see where, let's check where it is. So now we have tried to read the file, so we understand that the cursor or the pointer that was at the beginning, so after reading each and everything in that file, it will go at the end. So now let's check again that where is the file pointer position. So we will again copy this, and then let's paste it here, pointer after reading. So pointer after reading is at. Now let's run this again, and let's check where it is, and here we can see that pointer after reading is at 21. So this is how we can get the position of the pointer, and this helps a lot of times to manipulate the files or to work with the files. Okay, so let's remove these two things as of now. And there is another method that helps us to manually change the position of the pointer. Here we know that still till this point the pointer position is at 0, right? So let's say we want to change the pointer position. So for that we have another method, that is fp.seek. And what this seek method does is, as here we can see that it is asking us to offset and type of int, that it is asking us to pass some integer value. So what that integer value is, that it is we have to pass a value that will be our pointer position, right now it is at 0. So let's say I want it as 5. So now the pointer will go from all the way from 0 to 5. The means the position of the pointer, the position of the cursor will be changed, that initially it was at 0 and now it is at 5. The pointer after manipulating is at. Now let's try and run this and check whether the seek method did what we wanted it to do. And here we can see that pointer first it was at 0 and now it is at 5. So these are the two really important methods, or the two really simple methods that you can keep in mind while manipulating with the files, that is the tell method and the seek method. So with this we are done with the file handling in Python. So let's catch up in the next video, and until then keep writing quality code.